The fridge has a lock on the door. To unlock, slide the catch to the left. Then use the handle down the length of the right-hand side to open. To lock, slide the catch back to the right. To turn the fridge on, press and hold the power button until the lights illuminate. Flashing lights and beeping means there is no power source available. Use the mode button to cycle through the power source options. If you're a mains hookup, select the option with the plug symbol. If using gas, select the option with the flame symbol. Auto stands for automatic, and when chosen will automatically select the best power source available. This is the option we recommend. With the power source selected, adjust the temperature of the fridge by pressing the button with a thermometer symbol on it until you've reached your preferred choice. Max is the coldest setting. Once either the electric or gas power source has been selected, it will take about 3 to 4 hours for the fridge to get down to temperature. Before driving, switch the power source to the battery symbol. Once the engine is running, a current will then be supplied directly from the alternator, which will maintain the temperature of the fridge whilst on the move. To turn off the fridge, press and hold the main power button on the left until the lights on the panel go out.